Hello students, today we are going to start integrals of type x square plus 1 upon x4 plus lambda x square plus 1 dx. Let's start with the question number 1. Integral of x square plus 1 upon x4 plus 1. X square plus 1 upon x4 plus 1. In this type of integral, first we divide the numerator and denominator by x square. Divide x square by x square, we get 1. Divide the denominator by x square, we get this term. Now the term which is in numerator is 1 and 1 upon x square. 1 is the derivative of x and 1 upon x square is derivative of minus 1 by x. So we write the denominator as x minus 1 by x whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Minus 2 plus 2 will be 0. So we add 2 here. Now put x minus 1 by x as t. Put x minus 1 by x t. Differentiate, derivative of x is 1 and minus 1 upon x is 1 upon x square dx is dt. dt upon t square plus 2. We can write 2 as square root of 2 whole square. Integral of 1 upon x square plus a square, 1 upon a, tan inverse x upon a. And t is 1 by root 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by x upon square root of 2 plus c. 1 by root 2 tan inverse x square minus 1 square root of 2 into x plus c. क्या किया हमने इस टाइप के इंटेग्रल्स में? सबसे पहले न्यूमिनेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में जो भी टर्म है उसे एक्स स्क्वायर से डिवाइड करेंगे. फिर हम देखेंगे जो न्यूमिनेटर है वो किस टर्म का डेरिवेटिव है, डिनोमिनेटर की टर्म को उसके अकॉर्डिंग एडजस्ट करेंगे. जैसे x का डेरिवेटिव 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन एक्स का 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर. सो हमने इसका स्क्वायर लिख दिया तो a स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2 आएगा हमारे पास. हमने प्लस 2 कर दिया ताकि 2 and 2 कैंसिल हो जाए और हमारे पास यही टर्म बचे. अब इसका डेरिवेटिव न्यूमिनेटर में पड़ा है, सो वी पुट इट एज t and after differentiating we get the numerator term as dt and apply the formula 1 upon integral of x square plus a square 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. Now the next is x square minus 1 upon x4 plus x square plus 1. X square minus 1 x4 plus x square plus 1. First divide the numerator and denominator by x square. Now derivative of x is 1 and the derivative of plus 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab और प्लस 1 हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है. इट मीन्स वी हैव टर्म हमारे पास प्लस 1 टर्म ऑलरेडी है और जब हम इसे सॉल्व करेंगे तो 2 आएगा और हमें क्या टर्म चाहिए? प्लस के 1. सो वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 1 हियर. 2 minus 1 plus 1. So we subtract 1 in the denominator. Now put x plus 1 by x as t. Put x plus 1 by x as t. Differentiate, derivative of x is 1 and 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. dt upon t square minus 1. Integral of 1 upon x square minus a square 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. 1 upon 2, t is x plus 1 by x. One by 2 log of x square plus 1 minus x square plus 1 plus x plus c. Now the next one is integral of x square plus 4 upon x4 plus 16. X square plus 4 upon x4 plus 16. First divide the numerator and denominator by x square. We can write 16 as 4 square, 4 upon x square. Derivative of x is 1 and derivative of minus 4 upon x is 4 upon x square. So write the denominator as x minus 4 by x whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 into 4, 8. A square plus b square minus 2ab plus 8. Now put x minus 4 by x as t. 1 plus 4 by x square dx is dt. dt upon t square plus 8. We can write it as 2 root 2 whole square. Integral of 1 upon x square plus a square 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. And what is the t? Value of t is x minus 4 by x. 1 by 2 root 2 tan inverse x square minus 4 2 root 2 x plus c. Now the next one is integral of 1 upon x4 plus 1. 1 upon x4 plus 1. Divide the numerator and denominator by x square. 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x square. Now in the numerator we have term 1 upon x square. So first we multiply and divide it by 2. 2 upon x square. We can write it as 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x square. Now add and subtract 1. Because when we write the denominator as x minus 1 by x whole square or x plus 1 by x whole square, the derivative of x is is 1. So add and subtract 1. Now separate the terms. 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by x square minus common 1 minus 1 by x square. Derivative of x minus 1 by x is this. So put it as x minus 1 by x whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. So add 2 to cancel 2. Minus half 1 minus 1 by x square. X plus 1 by x whole square. Derivative of x is 1 and 1 upon x is minus 1 by x square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So we subtract 2 here. Now in this integral we put x minus 1 by x as t or u or x plus 1 by x v here. After differentiating 1 plus 1 by x square dx is equals to du 1 minus 1 by x square dx is equals to dv. 1 by 2 du upon u square and write 2 as square root of 2 square minus half dv upon v square minus 2. Integral of 1 upon x square plus a square is of form 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. And integral of 1 upon x square minus a square 1 upon 2a log of x minus a x plus a plus c. Now put the value of u and v here. 1 by 2 root 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by x upon root 2 4 root 2 log of x plus 1 by x minus root 2 x plus 1 by x plus root 2. After solving this 1 upon 2 root 2 tan inverse x square minus 1 upon square root of 2 into x minus 1 by 4 root 2 log of x square plus 1 minus square root of 2 into x square plus 1 plus square root of 2 into x. Now the next is integral of x square upon x4 plus 1. Integral of x square upon x4 plus 1. First divide the numerator and denominator by x square by x square. After dividing numerator and denominator by x square, we get this term. Now we have 1 in the the numerator, multiply and divide by 2. In the previous question, we add and subtract 1. Now we add and subtract 1 upon x square. Because we want the derivative of the term in denominator in the numerator. Now separate the terms. 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 upon x square plus 1 by x square, plus half 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1 by x square. Plus 1 by x square is the derivative of x minus 1 by x. A square plus b square minus 2ab, minus 2 and plus 2. And 1 upon 1 minus x square is the derivative of x plus 1 by x whole square. A square plus b square plus 2. So we subtract 2 here. In this integral, we put x minus 1 by x as u. Differentiate 1 plus 1 upon x square dx as du. And in this integral, we put x plus 1 by x as v. Differentiate 1 minus 1 upon x square dx is equals to dv. Now put these values. Half du upon u square plus 2. Write 2 as square root of 2 square plus half dv upon v square minus 2. Integral of 1 upon x square plus a square. 1 upon a, tan inverse x upon a. X square minus a square, 1 upon 2a log of x minus a, x plus a. 1 upon 2 root 2 tan inverse x minus 1 by x upon root 2 plus 1 by 4 root 2 log of x plus 1 by x minus root 2 x plus 1 by x plus root 2. One upon 2 root 2 tan inverse x square minus 1 square root of 2x plus 1 by 4 root 2 log of x square plus 1 minus square root of 2 into x, x square plus 1 plus square root of 2 into x plus c. Now the next one is integral of root of tan theta. Put tan theta as x square. Differentiated derivative of tan is sec square theta d theta 2x dx. 2x dx. We can write sec square as 1 plus tan square theta. And tan theta is x square, so 2x upon tan theta as x square. Derivative of tan is sec square. X square is 2x dx. We can write sec square is 1 plus tan square, and value of tan is x square. So tan square is x power 4. Square root of x square, d theta is 2x upon 1 plus x4. 2x square upon 1 plus x4. Now divide numerator and denominator by x square. 2 upon x square plus 1 upon x square. We can write 2 as 1 plus 1 and add and subtract 1 upon x square. Now separate the terms. 1 plus 1 upon x square upon the denominator and 1 minus 1 upon x square upon the denominator. After that, same question as we have done in previous question. Upon root 2 tan inverse x square minus 1 upon square root of 2x plus 1 upon 2 square root of 2 log of x square plus 1 minus square root of 2x upon x square plus 1 upon plus square root of 2x plus c. And in the last step, we put the value of